How to trade in Roblox. Okay, so first you just have to open your Roblox and let me explain to you everything under trade. So anytime you send a player a trade request, it will appear in this page outbound section. So you should frequently check this page to stay informed about the status of your transaction. Now, a trade request that you receive from another player will appear in this page inbound section. All of your profitable deals will be displayed to you in the completed section. Lastly, all of your inactive trade requests will be displayed to you in the inactive area. Now, here's the thing, you can now trade goods in the Roblox market since you have a premium Roblox account with trading enabled. So, you must be a premium user or your account should be in premium. First, return to the Roblox official website to accomplish this. So, in Roblox, there are two distinct methods for exchanging things. An item can be traded straight from a player's profile or through the Roblox market's avatar shop. So if you are using the premium version, you can see this avatar shop. Now under avatar shop on the page, select the all categories option located in the upper right corner. Choose the collectibles option to display only object that can be traded. Okay, so to trade this to a specific person, you just have to search the person's name, go to the three dots, and then look for trade. Okay. For example, this one, this person, you want an item from this person. Tap this three dots and look for trade. And then here, put the item or items you wish to trade in the You Offer section after selecting them from your inventory. So, optional, if you would like to improve your chances of getting the transaction, enter a Robux amount into the offer. Then you just have to simply send a request. And then once you tap this send request button, then you will see this trade sent. Now to see the transaction, you can go back to your Roblox and then go to trade. And then there under inbound, you will see this accept, counter, or decline. Okay, so that's how easy it is to trade in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.